Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today in our maths class, I am going to discuss about types of polynomials. Okay, see here, we have four types of polynomials. One is constant polynomial, second one is linear polynomial, third one is quadratic polynomial, and last fourth one is cubic polynomial, and one more fifth one is biquadratic polynomial. So here, uh, totally we have five types of polynomials. So first one is constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? So friends, a polynomial of degree 0. If any polynomial is having degree 0, that type of polynomial we can call as constant polynomial. See, if example of this 3 minus 7 or 7 by 4. In this example, we have only single term and having the degree is 0. 3. In this example, we don't have any variables. For example, if you imagine as one variable as x here. For example, 3 into x to the power of 0. The degree of the x is 0 is equal to what will happen? Means x power 0 is equals to 1. So it will become 3 into 1 is equals to 3. So this is called as constant polynomial. Next, linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial, in which polynomial we have the term having degree 1. That type of polynomial we can call as linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 5. It is a linear polynomial with a variable x. So, what is the degree of that first term? 1. Okay, friends. Next, quadratic polynomial. What is a quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. In this, this is what example 3x square plus 7x plus 9. It is a quadratic polynomial in with a variable x. So the degree of a first term is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. In this cubic polynomial, um, it is having degree 3. Means if you go through the example, 7x cube minus 5x square plus 3x minus 9. So what is the degree of this polynomial? 3. So it is a cubic polynomial with variable x. Coming to the biquadratic polynomial. This is a polynomial having degree 4. So this type of which polynomial is having degree 4, the type of polynomial we can call as biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Here you have one question. Identify the polynomial 3y square plus 4y plus 5. The answer is 3y square plus 4y plus 5. In this, we have one variable having the degree 2. So, what we call if degree 2 is having polynomial? Yes, we can call as quadratic polynomial with variable 5. Next, fundamental operations on polynomials. What we have fundamental operations? Plus, minus, multiplication, into, and divided by division. Okay, first fundamental operation is addition of polynomials. Okay, so how we can add the polynomials? Polynomials can be added by arranging their like terms and combining them. So before going to add the polynomials, first we have to write the like terms together and remaining other side. 2x square plus 3x plus 4x square plus x plus 2. It is a polynomial. First we have to add, first we have to write like terms together. 2x square plus 4x square. we have to write first. Next, like terms are what? X. 3x plus x plus 2. So 2x square plus 4x square is equals to 6x square. 3x plus x is equals to 4x, and the constant is 2. So this is the addition of polynomial. In this addition of polynomials, we have to add first like terms. Okay friends? Next, subtraction of polynomials. Polynomials can be subtracted by arranging their like terms and by changing sign of each term of the polynomial to be subtracted and then added. This one is also same as it is like addition of polynomials. Here in this example we have two polynomials. We have to subtract. See, in this these two polynomials are separated with another operation, subtraction. So because we are having in subtraction of polynomial. See here, 2t square minus 6t plus 6. First polynomial is as it is we wrote. Next, minus. First of all, we have to multiply the minus with each and every term in second polynomial. So what will become this polynomial? 2t square minus 6t plus 6 minus t square. Minus into plus minus t square minus into minus plus 7t and minus into minus plus 8. What will happen? First of all, we have to add the or subtract the like terms. Whatever we have the operation like that, we have to follow. 2t square minus t square. 2t square minus t square. It is a subtraction. So this is t square. Next, minus 60 plus 70 means that is subtraction. It will become t. In these two terms, which one is have, which means which greater number, which highest number is having the sign, we have to keep that sign. Plus 7 here, plus t, plus 6 plus 8. The sum of these two numbers is 14. The required answer is t square plus t plus 14. Okay. Next, multiplication of polynomials. In this, already we know these operations. See here in examples, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, plus into plus plus. The product of two factors with like signs is positive and product of unlike signs is negative. Okay, so see here, I gave one example. These two are the two polynomials. Here we are doing multiplication. Minus 2x into minus 3x. First of all, we should multiply the signs of two polynomials. Minus, first term is having minus symbol, second term is having plus symbol. So minus into plus is equals to minus. 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square. So the answer is minus 6x square. So we can do the multiplication of polynomials like this. Before going to do multiplication of polynomials, must and should we concentrate on the signs of polynomials. Next, if x is any variable and m n are positive integers, then x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. See here, in this, bases are equal. Due to that, the powers of these two bases can be added. X is an variable. M and n are powers of that variable. So, according to this formula, we can do this problem. 3x square into minus 4x. See, first of all, we have to check the signs what we have in these two terms. 3x square into minus 4x plus minus, plus into minus, minus. Sorry, here I forgot to write minus. 4 into 3, 12. X square into x, x cube. Okay, next. So the answer of this one is minus 12x cube. See here the power of x is 2 and here the power of x is 1. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 minus 12x cube. Next 5a into 6a plus 3, that is equals to 30a square plus 5 3s are 15a. Okay friends, here two polynomials we multiply. In this first polynomial we have only single term. In second polynomial we have two terms, 30a square plus 15a. The next operation is division. Division of polynomials. In this, here we have different forms of division of polynomials. First one is division of a monomial by a monomial. See, if you understand the example, 11x cubed divided by x square. These two are the monomials. This one is monomial and this one is also monomial. So see here, 11 into x into x into x divided by x into x. Okay, we can cancel these two terms with the denominator to x. Okay, we will get 11 into x. The answer is 11x. So this is the one type, division of a monomial by a monomial. Division of monomial by a monomial is very easy process. Coming to the second one, division of a polynomial by a monomial. This one is also very easy. See, directly I am going to the example. First of all, see here, this is a polynomial and the denominator is monomial. 2x square plus 6x plus 8 divided by 2. So tx square divided by 2 plus 6x plus divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 2. So what we are doing here, we are dividing the numerator with each and every term of the numerator. What we have in numerator, it is a polynomial. Okay, so in this denominator we have only monomial. In this monomial numerator, dividing each and every term of polynomial. Okay, so what will happen, we will get the answer. See here, 2 will be cancelled. 2 3 is 6 means 3x, 2 4 is 8, it will become 4. So the answer is x square plus 3x plus 4. Here I gave one more example, 4a cube plus 12a square plus 2a plus 6 divided by 2a. Can you guess the answer? Here also same like the above example, you have to divide the each and every term with the numerator to a. So what will happen? A. These two can be cancelled. We will get a square. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2a square we will get. Here first answer is, first term is 2a square plus 12a square divided by 2a. What will happen? A can be cancelled. Next 2 6 are 12 means 6a. Next 2a, it will be cancelled. We will get 1 plus 6 divided by 2a. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 divided by a. Okay. Once you solve this problem, afterwards you can get a idea. So here for this problem, final answer is 2a square plus 6a plus 1 plus 3 by a. Okay friends, next last one. It is a difficult one, but it is a very logical. Division of polynomial by a polynomial. In this type, we have to divide polynomial with a polynomial. See, 3 to the power of 4 minus 4t cube plus 2t square minus 6t plus 6. It is a polynomial divided by 2t plus 2. Here in denominator we have 2t plus 2. We cannot do means we cannot divide each and every term with the numerator. Means we should not do 3t to the power of 4 divided by 2t plus 2. We have a method. Okay, just for example only I gave these two examples to understand the division of polynomial by a polynomial. I gave two examples. How to do division of polynomial by a polynomial, it can I will explain this one in our next class. So just remember, these are the examples. Okay. Okay friends, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts up to this class, you can comment in our comment box. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you friends.